guys, welcome to Cooking with Saisha YouTube channel, and today we're gonna make delicious Malai Kulfi. So let's begin. So for that, take 300 to 400 ml of milk. Add Kesar or Kesar food color or essence. I added the food color. If you don't like color, you can skip it. Stir it well. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Then stir it again. Evaporate the milk nicely. Uh, you can also steam the milk on the induction. Add dry fruits, chopped dry fruits. Add malai. It's fully optional. If you don't like malai, you can skip it. You can see how creamy it is looking. So it is done right now. Now make it cool and then add it in the kulfi maker. So fill it nicely as I made the 5 kulfis. You can make more by adding more milk. Now we take again one small glass milk or a cup, then add some water and then the food color. Evaporate the milk nicely. I put my induction on the steam mode, then I add the 2 teaspoons of sugar in it, then cardamom powder, it's fully optional, and dry fruits. Then I evaporate my milk for at least 10 minutes, I think, or less if it takes so. You can see it is a steam mode on 30 degrees Celsius. Well, on induction it is fixed. So I add the malai now, which is cream. You can see how the great consistency it is. So I stopped it there, and then I take the small glass like this. You can take the thin one, whichever you have. Then I make my malai cool, and then I take out this after the whole 24 hours freezing of the kulfi, and then I take it out by keeping my kulfi maker in the water like this, and then I put this in the malai and it's done. It was super delicious, too tasty, and like a Malai Kulfi on the street sides we used to have. So it was my experience. So hope you like it. Please do subscribe, like, and comments, and enjoy by making, do cooking, and bye. Thanks for watching.